Okay, hello everyone. This video is used to explain Arduino IDE basic facilities which are available. So first of all, we have to learn that ki Arduino IDE is a development environment which is used to develop the programs of Arduino. Okay, so this is the development environment. Now second, it has a many controls available over here. So now every Arduino file is called as a sketch. So the by default the name of the file which will be available in the Arduino is called as a sketch. Sketch is the name of the file of the Arduino, so it will give you the this kind of a name if you open a new file. Now here it is by default name. Afterwards you can change the name. Now here there are file option. Okay, so file has many options: file menu, open recent, sketchbook, examples, then close, save as. So many options are available. You can open ready-made codes available with the Arduino. Okay, so these are the list of the examples which are available. Okay, so these are the list of the example, basic example, in which analog read function, blinking of LED function is available, fading of the LED, digital read serial. So these are the by default functions or programs which are available with the Arduino. Okay, so you can use, and it will go on adding. Okay, as you do the task, you will perform many programs, then it is going to add in the list. Okay, so here you can see so many lists: GSM program, this is XC7 11, this is again one type of a sensor, this is a LCD program, this is a robot control program. So these are the inbuilt programs which are available. Okay, so these are the inbuilt programs available. Now next, here you have a edit. Okay, edit function, so you can use the code which is written on the notepad and directly copy here. So edit function is available. Copy, then copy from as HTML, and all the things are available over here. Many commands are available. Then sketch, I told you. Now first of all we need to compile our code and then run our code. So verify compile is the first function used to compile the code. Then upload the file to the here we required hardware. Okay, hardware is required over here to upload the file. Then here another function, upload using programmer. Okay, so these are the functions. Now here important thing is that key, if I have some sensors that is used. Okay, I have some sensors used, then you can add the library. Okay, this function is given to add the library, manage the library. Now you can download the library which are required for your function and you can use. So here the add library, include library functions are used. Okay, so I will so in the function we require library for the humidity sensor, we required library for the water sensor, and at that time whenever I want to use water sensor, humidity sensor, LCD, then we will add the respective library from this particular function. Okay, from the sketch include library, this is used to include the libraries. Now next is a tool. Okay, tool. Now tool is used here for most of the function used by tool is a board. Okay, board is a very important thing. As as we know, there are many boards of Arduinos which are available, and out of which board you are using, so that you have to select. Now here entry level Arduino, name of the entry level Arduino is Arduino Genius Uno. Okay, so Arduino Uno is a popular name, and if you are using this one you can select this, otherwise you can select any other Arduino which you are using. So here there are so many help, references, troubleshooting. We don't require the help menu lot, we require only the tools and sketch. Okay, these two options we require. Now here the short form is also available. So this is the used to compile, verify is used to compile, this is upload, Whenever your code is ready and you want to download the code, then here this icon is used. Okay, so this is regarding the common functions of the Arduino IDE. Now we'll come to the next two functions. Okay, so first function is a void setup. So this is a by default function which is available whenever you open any file. Okay, any new file if you open, then this function will be available, and you are supposed to write here the contain. Okay, so this is the once. Okay, and now setup will run once, and it is not required to run the setup file many times. It will execute only once, and it will and this particular setup file is used for set the functioning of the pins. Many pins functions will be used from setup. And the repetitive functions, repetitive function. So here the explanation is given: put your setup code here to run once. So this particular setup file will run the code only once. Okay, it is not going to repeat the code again and again. So we will separate out the things which we want to execute only once, and that part of our code will be in the setup. And whenever I want the thing should happen many times, okay, many times repetition I need. For example, I want that the LED should flash oftenly. Okay, one second, after 1 second again LED should flash. If the case is like that, then we will use loop function. Okay, so this is the setup function and loop function. Now we will see the many other functions required for the programming in the next video. Thank you.